If you are searching for a place where wellness meets luxury in the heart of the Caribbean, BodyHoliday Saint Lucia might just be the answer to your vacation dreams. This is not your typical beach resort where you lounge around all day doing nothing. This place has a philosophy that sets it apart from the rest. Give us your body for a week and we will give you back your mind. That is their promise, and from what guests are saying, they deliver on it. Located on the stunning Cariblue Beach in Cap Estate, Castries, this 5-star all-inclusive resort has been pioneering the wellness holiday concept since it first opened its doors back in 1988. Founded by French brothers Jean and Philippe Bowman, BodyHoliday was the first of its kind in the region, combining beachfront luxury with mandatory daily spa treatments, personalized wellness programs, world-class sports facilities, and gourmet dining. Over the years, it has grown and evolved, with major expansions in 1997 when they added more spa facilities, and most recently, a significant refurbishment in 2023 and 2024 that updated rooms with new bedding and technology, enhanced the spa with additional treatment rooms and upgraded dining venues. In 2025, they even added solar panels and new beachfront cabanas, showing their commitment to sustainability and guest comfort. This family-owned and operated resort maintains a level of personal touch that larger chain hotels often lack. With a strict adults-only policy for guests 16 and older, the atmosphere is serene, sophisticated, and focused entirely on rejuvenation. Whether you are a couple looking for a romantic escape, a solo traveler seeking peace and self-care, or friends wanting to reconnect away from the chaos of everyday life, BodyHoliday offers an experience that goes beyond the ordinary beach vacation. When it comes to accommodations, BodyHoliday Saint Lucia offers 154 rooms and suites, each designed with comfort, style, and wellness in mind. The rooms are divided into 3 main categories: superior, deluxe, and luxury, and every single one comes with all-inclusive perks, including daily spa credits, which is a major highlight. Let us start with the superior rooms, which are the entry-level option but still incredibly comfortable and well-appointed. These rooms measure around 37 square meters or about 400 square feet and feature an open-plan layout with a seating area, king-sized bed or twin beds, and a private balcony or terrace. The views from these rooms are either garden or partial sea, giving you a taste of the tropical surroundings. Inside you will find air conditioning, a ceiling fan, a minibar that gets stocked daily with drinks and snacks, a coffee and tea station, a safe for your valuables, a hairdryer, plush bathrobes and slippers, a 40-inch television, a Bluetooth speaker, and even an espresso machine for your morning caffeine fix. The daily stocked minibar is a nice touch that many guests appreciate, especially when you want a cold drink after a day in the sun. Prices for superior rooms range from around $500 to $700 per night during the low season, which runs from May to October, and from $800 to $1,100 during the high season from December to April. Moving up a notch, the deluxe rooms offer more space at 46 square meters, or about 495 square feet. These rooms have a more spacious layout with a dedicated lounge area and a larger bathroom. The amenities are similar to the superior rooms, but with added luxuries like a pillow menu so you can choose the perfect pillow for your sleep style, and twice daily housekeeping to keep everything fresh and tidy. Some of these rooms even have swim-up access, which is a fun feature if you want to step directly from your room into the pool. Views from deluxe rooms are either ocean or hillside, and they also come with a wellness kit that includes aromatherapy products to enhance your relaxation. Prices for deluxe rooms range from $650 to $850 in the low season and $950 to $1,300 in the high season. For those looking for the ultimate indulgence, the grand luxury suites are the top tier. These suites are 65 square meters or about 700 square feet and feature a separate living room, a walk-in closet, and in select suites, a private plunge pool. The views are panoramic ocean vistas that will take your breath away, especially at sunrise and sunset. Amenities include everything from the deluxe rooms plus butler service, premium linens, and an outdoor shower for a truly tropical experience. These suites are particularly popular with honeymooners and couples celebrating special occasions. Prices range from $1,000 to $1,400 in the low season and $1,500 to $2,200 during peak times. Then there are the beachfront luxury rooms, which are 56 square meters or about 600 square feet and offer direct beach access. Imagine stepping out of your room onto a veranda with a hammock and then walking just a few steps to sink your toes into the soft white sand and the warm Caribbean Sea. These rooms come with all the amenities of the other luxury options plus beach towels and that unbeatable location. Prices range from $900 to $1,200 in the low season and $1,400 to $1,800 in the high season. All rooms feature modern tropical design with white linens, natural wood accents, and pops of color inspired by the ocean and surrounding landscape. The official website has high-resolution photos showcasing these airy, elegant spaces, and user photos on TripAdvisor give you a real sense of what to expect, including those stunning views of the Pittons in the distance. Dining at BodyHoliday is an experience in itself, with 7 restaurants and bars offering a range of cuisines and atmospheres, all included in your stay. The focus here is on fresh, healthy, and flavorful food that nourishes the body while delighting the taste buds. Cariblue Restaurant is the main buffet venue, serving international and Caribbean cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Open from 7 to 10 in the morning for breakfast, noon to 3 in the afternoon for lunch, and 7 to 10 in the evening for dinner. This spacious restaurant can accommodate over 300 guests and operates on a walk-in basis with a resort casual dress code. The buffet spreads are impressive, featuring seafood stations, grilled meats, vegan and vegetarian options, fresh salads, tropical fruits, and a variety of hot and cold dishes. They also host themed nights throughout the week, such as Saint Lucian Night, where you can taste local specialties, and Asian Fusion Night with dishes inspired by the flavors of the East. For a more intimate dining experience, Tao offers Asian fusion cuisine with a focus on sushi and Thai dishes. Open for dinner from 6:30 to 10 in the evening, Tao has a smart casual dress code and seats about 80 guests, so reservations are required. Menu highlights include miso black cod, pad thai, dim sum, and an extensive sushi selection. They even offer sushi making classes for guests who want to learn the art of rolling their own sushi. The Caribbean Fusion Grill is a beachfront venue that serves lunch and dinner from noon to 10 at night. With a casual dress code and seating for about 100, this spot is perfect for enjoying freshly grilled seafood like lobster thermidor and jerk chicken with plantain sides while watching the sunset over the water. Reservations are advised, especially for their popular sunset seafood nights. Palms is the Italian and Mediterranean restaurant, open for dinner from 6:30 to 10 in the evening with a smart casual dress code and seating for 60 guests. Here you can enjoy wood-fired pizzas, handmade pasta, and classic desserts like tiramisu, all paired with carefully selected wines. Reservations are required, and the wine pairings are a highlight for those who appreciate a good vintage. If you are in the mood for something more laid-back, Winner's Bar and Grill is the sports bar on property, offering pub fare like burgers, wings, and craft cocktails. Open all day from 11 in the morning to 11 at night, this casual spot is perfect for catching live sports screenings and enjoying a relaxed meal or snack. No reservations are needed, and the dress code is casual. The beach bar is your go-to for tropical drinks, smoothies, and light bites throughout the day. Open from 10 in the morning to 11 at night, this open-air venue has a casual vibe where swimwear is perfectly acceptable. They also host mixology demonstrations where you can learn to make your favorite Caribbean cocktails. All dining venues are included in the all-inclusive package, which also covers unlimited premium drinks, so you can enjoy everything from fresh juices and smoothies to top-shelf spirits and fine wines without worrying about the bill. The variety and quality of the food receive high marks from guests, though some long-term visitors note that the buffet can become a bit repetitive after a week. Still, with 7 different venues and rotating menus, there is plenty to keep your palate entertained. The pool and beach facilities at BodyHoliday are designed to cater to different moods and activities. There are 3 pools on the property, each with its own character. The main infinity pool is adults only, measuring 25 meters long and ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can enjoy a cocktail while cooling off, and the infinity edge gives the illusion that the pool merges with the Caribbean Sea beyond. It is open from 7 in the morning to 10 at night year-round, and towels and poolside service are included. The second pool is the family or activity pool, which has a water slide and ranges from 1 to 1.4 meters deep. While the resort is adults only for guests 16 and older, this pool is popular with the younger adult crowd and those looking for a bit more fun and activity. The third pool is the quiet relaxation pool, a smaller, more secluded spot perfect for reading a book or simply floating in peace. All pools have comfortable loungers, umbrellas, and attentive staff ready to bring you drinks and snacks from the poolside menu. The beach, Cariblue Beach, is a pristine stretch of white sand that extends about 500 meters along the coast. The waters are calm, turquoise, and perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just wading in and enjoying the warmth. Beach butlers are on hand to set up your loungers and umbrellas, bring you drinks, and ensure you have everything you need for a perfect day by the sea. The resort offers free non-motorized water sports, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, so you can explore the underwater world just offshore. For those interested in more adventurous activities, paid options like scuba diving and catamaran excursions are available. The beach is well maintained, and the combination of soft sand, clear water, and attentive service makes it one of the highlights of the resort. Whether you prefer lounging by the pool with a book or playing in the waves, the pool and beach facilities at BodyHoliday offer something for everyone. Activities at BodyHoliday go far beyond lounging by the pool or beach, though those are certainly options if that is what you need. The resort is designed to keep you active and engaged, with a wide range of sports and recreational facilities included in your stay. The fitness center is equipped with state-of-the-art Technogym cardio machines, weights, free weights, spin bikes, and TRX equipment, and it is open from 6 in the morning to 9 at night. Personal trainers are available if you want customized workout plans or guidance on how to use the equipment. Group fitness classes are offered throughout the day and include yoga, pilates, aqua aerobics, and more. Yoga classes are held in a dedicated pavilion with ocean views, providing a serene setting for your practice. The resort has 6 tennis courts, and lessons are available for all skill levels, whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your game. Water sports are a major draw here, with free options like kayaking, paddleboarding, windsurfing, and snorkeling, and paid options like scuba diving for those who want to explore the reefs and marine life around St. Lucia. The resort also offers archery, fencing, and golf nearby for an additional fee. For those who prefer a more relaxed pace, there are daily activities like dance classes, cocktail-making workshops, and cultural talks about the history and culture of St. Lucia. The staff are enthusiastic and knowledgeable, making every activity enjoyable and accessible regardless of your experience level. One of the unique aspects of BodyHoliday is that you can be as active or as relaxed as you want. Some guests fill their days with tennis, scuba diving, yoga, and fitness classes, while others prefer to take it slow with a morning swim, a spa treatment, and an afternoon nap in a hammock. The choice is entirely yours, and the resort supports whatever approach to wellness you prefer. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.